Hey beauties, welcome back to Ivy Space. So today I will be taking you guys with me to Winners to shop for some bags. I wanted a new bag that I could be taking to work, so I wanted to take you guys with me to see what they have at Winners for bags. So immediately I walked in, I saw this super gorgeous purple velvet Klein dress, and I was like, wow, it was so pretty. It was only $49.99. So I saw it, I'm like, nope, don't get distracted, Ivy, you came here for a bag, nothing more. So I went to the bag section and I saw this Tommy Hilfiger backpack. I'm looking for a backpack, not actually a bag or a purse. I was actually looking for a backpack, something that I can just put my stuff inside and put it on my back and I'm good to go. So they had this Tommy Hilfiger for $59.99. They had the black one and also the red one. I have to say, I wasn't looking for anything too like any black bag or too bold. I was just looking for like neutral colors, and I would say that one was a very good price, but I wanted something different. There was this bag also, I don't know what brand this was. It was $34.99. And I also saw this Guess purse. Guys, this was so pretty. I have a Guess purse right now, mine is orange. I thought this one was really cute for $29.99. The prices at Winners is actually not bad at all for name brand bags and clothes. I think the prices are really good. I also saw this light pink bag, like a backpack, and I think this was really pretty. It's Aldo backpack, and I feel like it was really big inside. It was pink, it was not too pronounced, and it was not too plain for me. I mean, the color was not black, so I really liked that bag. So I went back, I was deciding which bag I should get, if I should get this one or get the one that I showed you guys earlier on, the pink one. So I had to open inside to see which one has more space for me. I was looking for space, not really the design or the brand. I was looking for more what I can fit in there, many things I can fit into my bag, because it's mostly just to go to work and come back, not something that I'll be using to go out or anything, just for work. So, and when I checked this Tommy Hilfiger, the black and white was really cute, but the inside wasn't big at all. So I also come across this super cute black Guess bag. I think this was so pretty because it was black. I wasn't coming for a handbag, I just came for a backpack. So but they had this one available and I felt like they were really cute. They had a lot of designer bag, Tommy Hilfiger, they had Guess, what other brand did I see? They had a lot of stuff. As the video will go, you'll see that Winners had a lot of designer brand purses for less, like they were really affordable. I'm sure if you were to go to regular store, you're going to be buying this for more than the price that you can see here. So Winners is actually a very good place to buy your designer stuff, and for a very good price. So for this kind of a bag and how big it is, for $49.99, it's not a bad idea. And guys, this is some of the Christmas gift ideas that you can buy for your loved ones. If you have a wife, a girlfriend, a mother, a sister, or anybody who just love handbags, Winners is a great place to start. It's a good way to go without breaking the banks and saving money. They also have this Calvin Klein backpack. It was completely like plain with gold detailed. It was $129 or $130. I feel like I liked it, but it was too much money to buy a bag for work, so I wasn't really willing to spend so much money to buy a bag for work. And they also had this Stephen Madden bags. I've never heard of this brand before, but they had a very cute design. I love the design of this bag. Like, this is my kind of design, and I think it was 34 something. If you guys see the price tag, the price wasn't that bad. I just feel like it was really cute. Light blue, not really my style, those colors, but I think the design of the bag was really cute. And also, guys, there were so many other bags. Like, look at this Guess bag for $69.99 for Guess. Look at how big this bag is. It's a black Guess bag. A lot of their bags was either black or very pronounced. Like, there was not in most, I didn't really see a lot of in between bags. Look at how gorgeous this bag is. So can you imagine buying this for Christmas and giving this to your loved ones? Like, I would be so happy to get a bag like that for Christmas. So they also have other name brands bags at Winners that was really affordable. Like this really cute beige bag that was only $39 or $34.99. This was really cute. This was Stephen Madden as well. I have to go Google this name. I've never heard of it before. Like, I'm not really a big name brand person. If I see a bag that I like, for me, I don't really care if it's a name brand or not. As long as I like it, I buy it. So I feel like this bag was really cute. Really like you can use it to dress up and go to church or somewhere. For $39.99, I feel like it was a very good price for that bag. So guys, they also have this Guess bag, this very cute Guess bag. This was really pretty. I love the inside. I love that the design of that bag was really cute, and it wasn't that expensive either. They have this black backpack that I was actually looking for a backpack, as I mentioned earlier on, but I was not willing to spend a lot of money on a backpack for work. And they had this one for $129.99. So I feel like the price for this name brand bag was not so bad at all. I think that they were really affordable and they were really nice. They really had some gorgeous bags. They also had big bags that I feel like if you are somebody who have a lot of stuff in their bag, a lot of these bags were, the sizes were pretty good. So guys, that is all about this video. I hope you like. Please, if you have watched this far and you have not subscribed, please kindly push the subscribe button down below, and also please push the notification bell so that you get a notification whenever I upload a video. Otherwise, YouTube will not notify you that I have uploaded without you pushing the bell. So, and also I have a beauty channel. If you have not watched my beauty channel, IVJ TV, and you'll find some of my videos on how to make a wig, how to braid, and how to cornrow. They also have this gorgeous Calvin Klein backpack. I felt like if this bag was just a little bit bigger, I would have just bought this bag. It was so pretty, it was so cute, but the inside was so small. Like, I don't feel like I'm going to be fitting a lot of stuff inside this Calvin Klein bag. And they had another one right beside it, also Calvin Klein. This one was $220 something. I was not willing to spend so much on a bag that I'm going to use for work. They also had this Guess backpack, a bag for $79.99. I don't feel that this was bad because you also had a purse, like a little pouch inside the bag, so in case you want to store your makeup and you don't want everything to spill inside, you can just use that. So we are back home, and here are the stuff that I got. So I got this bag from Winner for $39.99 with tax. Came up to 45 something. So this is how it looks. I like it. It really looks good. It's like light pink bag, and it also has this pouch inside it. I'm trying to bring it up. It has this pouch inside it. I can put my makeup, I can put my purse, anything in here. It's pretty big size, like the size is big, and this is the backpack. You see how big it is inside. Yeah, it is pretty big. Look at all this space inside. So I really like it because it comes with this little pouch that you can store all your stuff inside and just throw it in. So this is how it looks. I love the bag. It's light pink. It's the size I was looking for, because I was looking for something bigger, like something big. And this is how it looks on the back. I think it's pretty cute. When I was done shopping at Winners / HomeSense / Marshall, I went to Dollarama just to see what they have for Christmas, and they had this cute, beautiful ornament at Dollarama, and I end up grabbing all of them off the shelf. Guys, they didn't have much on the shelf, but I think I only got 5, so I grabbed everything that was on there. So I think my theme this year will be gold and silver. I wanted to be blue, but I changed my mind because look at how gorgeous and beautiful these ornaments are. So I'm going to be, my Christmas theme for my Christmas tree this year will be gold and silver this year. So my mind is made up. I'm going to be doing gold and silver Christmas tree decoration theme this year. I also grabbed this one that I'm going to be using to decorate my centerpiece in the living room. So yeah, and I also got some other stuff in here. That is all about it today for the shopping vlog. I hope you guys like these videos. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.